Hello, everybody.
Mr. Schmidt. Okay, I already swore you in. What
I
is,
would like to, just let me speak, Your Honor, just for about 20 seconds. I want to waive everything. I'm a certified paralegal. I got my paralegal degree at IYC and my high school diploma and my Ball State University degree at IYC. And I know all about the court system. I know how to go through it. I know what to waive, and I'm in here for a probation violation, just for an infraction, no new felony or misdemeanor, no new disposition charges. And I don't want to wait until the next court date for evidentiary hearing and get sentenced. I want to get sentenced today. I want to waive all my rights. I want you to read me all my rights if you want to, or I just don't want no attorney. I want to pro se myself in court. There's nothing wrong with me. I got my degree. I can show you my certificates. And I'm in here. I got a 1-year misdemeanor. I got 2 months good time in, 4 months left. There's no new charges, no new warrants, nowhere in the world. Just 4 months left. And I don't wanna, you can put me 4 months in the county jail, sentence me there, or 4 months of work release, or 4 months home detention, but I don't want probation. Cause I can't go back to my house. I moved out of my house because the lady couldn't pay half her rent without selling dope to pay that half, and that's what got me here. And I don't want nothing to do with her no more. I don't want nothing to do with the apartment no more. My clothes are not there no more. I don't live there no more, so I'm homeless. But I can't give you another home. I get disability. You know, I can get a job, get off of disability if I wanted to make more money and show my skills and much more of a career income to the fact, but I don't, because I don't make money off of people's well-being.
okay, Mr. Schmidt, can I explain something, please?
Yes.
The prosecutor is not here today, so we can't go forward with an admission on a violation. This is just an initial hearing. It's up to the
It's a court
prosecutor.
hearing, you mean?
This hearing today, it's up to the prosecutor whether they come to this hearing or not. They're not here today, and if they're not here, then we cannot do an admission. I cannot sentence you today. So we need to go through all these other steps first. Your next court hearing is going to be on December 20th. We'll get to that at the end. So would you please state your full legal name?
My full legal name is Paul Shane Smith, but my real dad is Paul Shane Woodrum, so I got 2 names. My birth certificate, my dad didn't meet me till I was 5. I had to brief this because 35 years ago, the old Elkhart County Jail came back with 20 officers swore me to swear to God they would put me in SEG, you know, because I had 2 names I revealed in court, you know, but Judge Yoder said it's fine, it's real dad and his stepdad, you go by stepdad, no big deal, no warrants or nothing, no. But I go by Paul Shane Smith, that's my name on my birth certificate, but my real dad died 4 or 5 months ago, and his real name is Major Lee Woodrum.
Okay.
So you can call me by Paul Shane Smith or Paul Shane Woodrum, but still Paul Shane regardless, but it's still a last name different.
Okay.
I go by Paul Shane Smith, so don't need to change anything.
Okay. What's your date of birth, Mr. Schmidt?
1/28/71.
Do you have a cell phone number that you'd like to provide us for notifications?
No, I would have gave you the one I live with, but I don't want to go back there no more.
Okay.
So I got rid of that old habit, you know. I'm tired of just seeing the counties. I'm tired of losing my liberation because infractions, urine piss tests, and just randomly in the wrong place at the wrong time to be in the county jail.
Okay. So you said earlier that you're homeless, correct?
Yes.
Okay. Do you have any way for us to contact you?
I can have a place to stay if I can. It all depends on what December 20th gives me in court. If I got to do 4 months, I would like to have 4 months probation, but I would rather have. If you give me 4 months probation and I've already got 2 strikes on this disposition case, you know, they say 3 strikes out of ballpark. I don't know what the judge is going to do by giving me a 3rd recommendation.
Yeah, I don't know what the judge is going to do either.
Because that's kind of aggravating to have 2, you know, but everybody's been saying 3 is your most ones you can get, and there's been many cases people's had them 3 chances.
Yeah.
You know, probation and work release and home detention, and I don't know what I'm going to get, you know, if I'm going to have to do 4 months, you know, we don't need the prosecutor here to deal with 4 months worth of county jail.
Okay, so Mr. Schmidt, you were here when I went over the advisement of rights with Mr. Mills. And were you able to were you able to hear and understand that advisement of rights?
Yeah, I know about plea bargain rights. You know, you waive 75% of your rights on a plea bargain, you know.
Well, that's not what I asked you. I asked you about the rights that I just explained to you.
Yeah, I read that too. I understand. I heard everything
Okay.
going all around. You know, it's just, I just don't want to wait in the jail to wait to see what I'm going to get, you know, when there's no need. You're the judge. You're the judge bosses the prosecutor bosses the state. You know, the judge has more of a lean way to make the last decision and the first decision to either aggravate mitigating circumstances.
So,
there's no way around this. No one's working for you that you can sentence me today because I'm a paralegal. I know the system. I know the court case laws I can go to, the pro se and the law library.
Okay. So the probation department is alleging that you violated the terms of your probation because you submitted to a drug screen on November 7th, 2023, and the result was positive for amphetamine and methamphetamine. They're also alleging that you owe some money to probation, but that's not a basis for revoking your probation. So do you understand what the probation department is alleging that you did to violate probation?
Yeah, you just told me.
Okay, so you understand what I just told you?
I hear you quite well.
Okay. Are you planning, are you planning on hiring a lawyer?
No, I'm pro se myself in court.
Are you sure that you don't want to hire a lawyer?
No, I want pro se myself in court. There's only 4 remedies. You give me 4 months in jail, probation, work release, home detention. You can't send me to prison because prison will send me right back out. As soon as I get there with my 090-04-967 DLC number, I already contacted the state commissioner, and the state commissioner said, misdemeanor down there, RDC, 4 months? We don't take misdemeanors down here because everything's overcrowded. The bed system's overcrowded. You see,
Yeah, that's
they
correct.
need beds for more important.
Well, do you understand that if you do have a lawyer, then the lawyer might be able to talk to the prosecutor and work out kind of an agreed recommendation to give to the judge about what's going to happen to you?
Well, it really don't make no difference because I'm just going to get another month in. That's 3 months. Good time with 3 months left, and I got 3 months left. I don't have no more felonies or misdemeanors to worry about. Even if I did 90 more days in jail, even if December 20th, 3 months. Your remaining time in jail, that's 3 months. What's that going to do when I get back out on the street and I'm paper free? I'm paper free.
So I understand that.
I'm not trying to take up your time in court.
I understand.
You got to go home, go to bed, take care, eat, and all those things, you know.
So a lawyer might be able to help you with this.
I'm a certified paralegal. I can outsmart an order in court. I can trial. I know what court arraignment, what disposition is when you get arrested, what a court arraignment hearing is, what an omnibus hearing is, what evidence hearing is, what a pretrial basis is, what a plea bargain date is, what pre-sentence investigation is, what sentencing is, and how your field can deal.
That may be the case. I know what all those things are as well. And if I were charged with a crime or here on a violation of probation, I would hire a lawyer.
No, I don't want no lawyer. I got a right for a lawyer. I got a right to proceed. I can show my degree. I am certified by the Indiana State Bar Association with my paralegal degree through the Ball State University.
Okay, well.
Now, the Bar Association, we don't want to go to the Bar Association. That's a nasty thing to be talking about.
We'll go ahead and find that you have knowingly and voluntarily waived your right to counsel in this case.
Yeah.
Like I said, your next court date is on December 20th, 2023 at 1:30 p.m. That's going to be with Judge Lund.
I don't mean to be, I'm not upset, you know, it's only 4 months, ain't nothing to worry about. It ain't in the world, ain't in my life expectancy, you know, got paid, do crime, do time, you know, and regardless if I have everything up against me, you know, I just, going for whatever you can do with me.
Yeah, you can go with Officer Montana. Thank you, Mr. Schmidt.
You have a wonderful day, Your Honor.
You too.
So I'm pro se or you got me a lawyer?
You're pro se.
I'm pro se. Well, you have a good day.
You too.
Yeah, you have a good day.
Oh my God.
Okay.
Be safe, be well, sleep sweet, and much love.